Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the transaction failed on Coinbase in 2026 error. Now, are you seeing a transaction failed on Coinbase? Here's how to quickly figure out the problem and fix it. Now, before we start, the message or the error you're going to be encountering is similar to this one. As you can see, it says sale failed, your transaction failed for the following reasons, and it will give you the reasons. For this example, the exchange rate updated while you were waiting, so please initiate a new transfer. And it gives you the option to try again. Now, to fix this issue, you're just going to have to follow these few simple steps. And the first step is to check your balance. Make sure you have enough funds to cover both the transactions and the fees. And you can do that by going to Coinbase.com's website and make sure to sign in with your account, with your account's credentials. Then you're going to check your balance and see if it's enough. And if it is, you're going to pass to the second step, which is to review the payment method. If you're buying crypto, check that your card hasn't expired and your bank hasn't blocked the transaction. Now, after you do that and you check the bank hasn't canceled the transaction, you're gonna check the network congestion. For crypto sense, blockchain congestion can delay or fail transactions. So make sure to check the network congestions and retry after a few minutes. Temporary system issues often resolve quickly, so make sure to wait a few minutes before retrying again. Also, if you're using the mobile app, you're gonna have to update it. Using an outdated version of Coinbase can cause errors, so update the app by going to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and there you're gonna check if an update is available, and if it is, you're just gonna click on the update button and wait for the update to be completed, then you're gonna install the app. You can also disable VPN. VPN usage can sometimes trigger security blocks. And that's it. Always transfer transactions carefully to check fees and total cost before confirming. And that's how you fix the transaction failed error on Coinbase in 2026. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.